friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are all uploading channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainer. When I try to turn on my laptop and desktop for HP, Laser, Lenovo, Dell also, this is a error. Blue screen error after preparing automatic repair, Windows diagnosis and startup menu, then again Windows blue screen error. This is looply comes. How to resolve the issue? Okay, already we tried troubleshoot options, command permit, everything, but not resolve the issue. Update, uninstalled update also we are checked, not resolve the problem. Now new technique for because in latest machines hard disk not detected in third party tools, so we have another tool for given the description. Go and download this file and boot that repair tool. Just create bootable media after boot your laptop desktop. After you go and we get procedure to that things. Okay. See, this hard disk not detected, so we can't do anything for this laptop repair or data copy. Some works not able to fix the issue. Now everything close and given the for description, just boot, create bootable device for the ISO file. Just boot it using refers or some other software. Just boot that one. Dell laptop, HP laptop, computers, Acer, Lenovo, all the latest configuration methods. Okay, just open the C drive and here not also detected. Go the C drive, right click, go to manage. In check device manager, there are not for hard disks. Then go to disk management. Here your hard drive, select in your storage, just select and change the letter path. Click, just add your label name. I am putting D now. D, go to D drive, in under just delete for the unwanted files, program file, program 86 files, both are open, and click current modification date. Any unwanted folders or file, just delete it. Okay, check your C drive which is your hard disk. This is a procedure. Folder now in system 32, open it, modified file, any drive, just delete it. Now once refresh it. After sys wow file also current, just restart it. Now it is working for this problem resolved. To go and check your desktop, computers, laptops, all the things. Any issues comes, just just comment me. I am given the next videos for this kind of issues. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. After you put update for Windows 11 to live update, and don't update Windows 10, just put turn off. If any issues comes, this kind of issues, just comment me. I give the procedure for another videos, same things.